In this video I will show you how to place one image in other image using Adobe Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop, click on File, open the image which you want to place another image on it. Okay, this is the image. Now I want to place my company logo over here. So to place another image, click on File, click on Place, select another image. So this is the logo. I'm just adjusting it. Now drag it. And click outside. Click on cursor, then it will ask whether to place or cancel or don't place. Click on place. Now finally save the image. Click on File, click on Save. The default file format would be PSD. I would recommend to change using PNG format. Click on PNG. I am giving this as new image and hit enter to save, and keep the default settings as it is. Don't change the PNG options. Click enter for finalizing the settings. Now let me show how the image looks like. I'm going to the desktop and this is a new image. Hit enter. This is how the new image looks like. That's it. That's how we place one image in other image using Adobe Photoshop. That's it from my end. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel for more technical updates. Bye bye.